How to connect Instagram to your Facebook page. For that, make sure that you are admin of Facebook page that you want to connect the Instagram to. Then open the Facebook application first and make sure you have switched to your Facebook page. Now tap on three line icon at top right corner and tap on gear icon at the top of the screen. Here on the top you can see the search icon, tap on it, and on the search bar you have to type in page status. Search for it and open the page status, where you have to scroll and tap on manage admins. Here you can easily find your page status and see the admin of the page. Go back to Instagram app. Make sure to log into your Insta, then tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Here you need to select edit profile. Now you need to scroll down and under profile information, tap on page. Now tap on continue. This say connect or create a Facebook page. This will get features to reach more people by connecting your Instagram account to your Facebook page. Tap on continue and now tap on login to Facebook. Here you have to log into your Facebook account in order to connect to our Facebook page. Once you log in, tap on continue as silver. Now tap on connect, or you can also create a new Facebook page. So as we can see that we have successfully connected our Instagram to our Facebook page. On the edit profile page you can see the page is connected. Now before you post anything on your Instagram you have to set up the something. Let's come back from here and go to three line menu icon at top right corner. On the settings and activity page you can tap on cross posting, and now you need to toggle on the buttons, the post, reels. So that's it for today. So in this way we can successfully connect Instagram to our Facebook page. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.